Hi guys, so I just finished reading The Alchemist and honestly, sobrang ganda niyang basahin, especially as we enter a new year. So if babasahin niyo yung libro na to, lagi niyong mababasa yung quote na when you want something, all the universe conspires in helping you to achieve it. So, nung nabasa ko yung quote na yon, napahinto talaga ako. Tapos, napaisip ako na sometimes we want something so badly. But, without ourselves. Lagi natin pinagdududahan yung sarili natin. And we overthink. Okay? Lagi nating hinihintay yung right time. Yung perfect timing. Hanggang sa wala na tayong nasimulan. Kaya this book reminded me na hindi natin kailangan or hindi mo kailangan maging handa agad. You just have to be brave enough to start. Kahit maliit, kahit hindi ka sigurado, kahit mukhang mahirap. So, I challenge you guys na this coming year, maybe don't pressure yourself to have everything figured out. Hindi kailangan bongga agad. Just show up, do the work, and yung madalas nating sinasabi na trust the process. Kasi minsan, the universe only moves when you move first. So, if you're entering the new year, feeling lost, unsure, okay, takot, this is your sign. Your dream is valid. And maybe, just maybe, the universe is already working in your favor. So, ayun lang. Happy New Year. Trust the journey.